Hi everyone, welcome back to Meera Codes. In today's video, I will show you how to create the first Java project in IntelliJ IDEA. Let's get started. Open IntelliJ. To create the new Java project, click on the new project. Select Java as a project type. If you have already installed the JDK, IntelliJ will detect it automatically. Otherwise, click on the download JDK and follow the prompts. Even I have shared the post how to download and install the JDK. Please refer that if you have any doubts. Now enter the project name. For example, first program. Choose the location if needed and click on the create button. So IntelliJ will generate the project structure for you. By default, main class will be created. So let me write the print statement inside the main class. So it's already there. Just I'll do some modification. Okay, I have written a print statement. So inside that, hello and welcome is there. So click on the green run button. This is nothing but we are running our program. So we are able to see the output on the console, that is hello and welcome. Every Java application starts with the main method. This is the entry point of the program. So the print statement, this prints the text inside the codes to the console. I hope you are clear on this. So next, let us understand the project structure. So we have a different folders here. So .idea, .mvn, src, target folder, git ignore, pom.xml file, as well as the external libraries. So here first we'll see the src. It stands for the source folder. It contains the project source code. So inside src folder we have two subfolders called as a main and a test. Under main we have a Java folder. So within that folder we will be creating the packages. org.example is a package name and we are this is a class name. Okay, we will be creating the packages and the classes here that contains the application code. So the next one is a test folder. It is used to write the unit test classes. Okay. So moving on to .idea project, folder. It is created automatically by the IntelliJ. It stores the IDE specific settings like project configuration, code style, compiler settings, and run configuration. It is only used by the IntelliJ. So next one is a .mvn. So it is created when using the Maven wrapper. It contains the wrapper configuration. It allows anyone to build the project without installing the Maven separately. Okay, moving on to the target folder. It is the build output directory where the Maven stores the compiled classes and the generated jar or a var files. So next one is a pom.xml file. POM stands for the project object model. It contains the project name, like it contains the group ID, artifact ID, as well as the version. So along with that, it contains the dependencies, plugins, and the build configuration. So next one is a git ignore. So it specifies the files and the folders that the git should ignore, such as build outputs and IDE configuration files. Okay, the external library section is nothing but it displays all the JDK libraries and the project dependencies available to the application. So let me recall the things. Java project contains src folder for application and the test code, .idea folder for IntelliJ configuration, .mvn for Maven wrapper configuration. So target for compiled classes and generated jar or var files, pom.xml to manage the dependencies and the build configuration, .git ignore to exclude the unnecessary files from the git. So we have created and run first Java program. and understood about the project structure. In the next video, we will understand the code, what is the class, and why we need it. So what is this main method, program execution flow. Okay, follow the Meera codes and keep learning. Thank you.